So if you just clicked on this video, I believe what you want to know is how YouTubers make money, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. So guys, just be patient with me while I walk you through the basic steps and processes as to how YouTubers make money from the internet. Okay, it's very much simple as a YouTube content creator, because if you want to start making money on YouTube, you need to automatically become a YouTube content creator by simply creating video content. That's what YouTube creators create. They create video content, and this video content is one of the ways that they can make money from YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, guys, I'll show you an example with two different YouTube channels that I own and manage at the time being, and show you how I have been making money as a YouTube content creator practically. This one you're watching right now happens to be one of my channel. The one you are watching this video on right now happens to be one of my YouTube channel. So as you can see here, it's clearly stated this is my main YouTube channel, Daniel Anthony, where I publish a lot of video content in time past on make money online tutorial. You need to take note of one thing: if you want to become a YouTube content creator, you need to stay on what is called a niche, on a specific niche. You must create content based on one topic or based on one category. Let me use that word. So like me, I create content on the make money online category. You can never see me publishing videos on maybe health, on sports, on relationship, on travel, or on vlogging on this make money online channel. So if you are that person that has a vlogging channel, or you have a health related channel, or you have a channel where you publish health related content, please do not publish any other kind of content outside health content or vlogging content, depending on the channel you are running. So you need to be on a specific niche first of all. So I'll equally show you another channel. This is another channel that I launched not quite long. I'm kind of growing this channel. I'm developing this channel from scratch. As you can see, this one has just one video, DannyTube, everything YouTube. This is where I want to start sharing YouTube tutorials, everything that you need to know about YouTube content creation, how to succeed as a YouTube content creator, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to succeed with your YouTube business. So guys, do not worry. Before I proceed deeper, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is that I teach people how to make money online from scratch. I share with you tips and strategies that can actually help you grow your online business, that can help you succeed online from any part of the world. You can be coming from United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Nigeria, Pakistan, wherever you might be coming from. It's not a case study, it's not a challenge, neither is it a limitation. As long as you are able to connect with Daniel Anthony, you can learn how to make money online fast, even as a beginner with no prior experience. Please check out the video. You can get in touch with me on WhatsApp, and you can equally get in touch with me in all of my other social media platforms that we can communicate on. So if you want to start making money online, you need to start creating digital content, just as I mentioned, not quite long, video digital content. As you can see, I have a lot of videos that I've published in time past, and all of these videos in one way or the other have been making me money because my channel is monetized. You need to understand one thing again: your channel must be monetized. If your channel is not monetized, there is no way you can make money from YouTube. This other channel is not yet monetized. As you can see, it have just one video on it, and it have 8 subscribers. And the requirement to actually get into the YouTube monetization partner program, which I will talk more about later on in this video, is actually having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour before being able to apply to the YouTube partner program, which will now warrant you to get monetized and play ads or advertisements on your videos. And as ads start running on those your videos, then you start generating what is called ad revenue. And ad revenue is the money you get paid from the ads that your viewers watching your video views on your video while watching your video. They call it ad breaks. So let me quickly take you over to my YouTube studio and gives you more breakdown as to how YouTubers make money, so that you will start giving it a consideration or thought of becoming a YouTube content creator, because I've been doing this business over the years and I've been enjoying it and I've been making money from it. Okay, as you can see now, this happens to be the YouTube channel that is not yet monetized. As you can see, it got just 8 subscribers and just one video. I want to show you practically how this thing works as a YouTube content creator. So if your channel is like this, I will advise you, please don't give up, don't lose hope. You can still grow faster if you are serious about content creation. Like I told you, niching down. This particular channel now, DannyTube, is strictly on the YouTube SEO niche, everything that has to do with YouTube. Why this other one right here, Daniel Anthony, which happens to be my main channel, is on the make money online niche. The reason why you are seeing me talking about YouTube, how YouTubers make money, is based on the fact that YouTube income business is equally a way of making money online, or it's equally an online business model that I can even talk more about on my Make Money Online tutorial YouTube channel. So this happens to be my main YouTube channel. As you can see, it got 4,114 subscribers. I've surpassed the 1,000 subscriber requirement that is demanded or that is needed of you to get into the YouTube partner program. At first, as you can see, I've surpassed it, and I've surpassed the 4,000 watch time a long time ago on this YouTube channel, and ads have been running on my video content on this particular YouTube channel. But on this other YouTube channel that you're seeing right now that got just 8 subscribers, it equally happens to be my channel, and I have big plans of blowing up this channel in no distant time. If you come over now to this channel, you see that it has no data yet, just 8 subscribers with one video that got just 6 views. Let me quickly take you over to this corner section here that says monetization. Now I want to show you how a YouTube channel makes money. I will show you from this one that is not monetized, then I'll equally show you with the one that is monetized, so that you have enough conviction that I've been doing this thing practically and you can equally do it and make money with it. My other channel that is monetized was once like this channel you are seeing right here, just like this infant channel. There was once a time I have just 1 subscriber. In fact, I had 0 subscriber on that particular channel. So if you scroll down now a little bit and come over to this section that says earn, then if I'm to click on earn, and it's going to bring me over to the channel monetization section. It's clearly stated here, become a partner. That's the YouTube partner program. Yeah, you have to join the YouTube partner program before you can start making money as a YouTube content creator. And to join the YouTube partner program, you need 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and 4,000 watch time hour, which I'll equally detailedly talk about in this same tutorial. Then if you scroll down now, you're going to find benefits include. If you finally become a YouTube partner program member, these are all of the ways you can start earning money with just one YouTube channel. There are numerous ways, not even one way. You can earn from page ads, like earn from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. That's ads, ad break. Then short feed ads, and from ads your YouTube Premium in short feeds and all of that. Then they have membership. My channel equally have the YouTube membership. You can create a fan club of members paying monthly to access to exclusive perks. I will show you that later on in this video. Then they have supers. You can engage with fans who shows you support through one-time interactive purchase. Then they have shopping. You can share products across your channel from your own store. You can link your store up with your YouTube channel and equally sell your product with the help of your YouTube channel. So as you can see, YouTube gives you diverse method or diverse opportunity of making money with their platform. So you can see these are creator support tools. And then if you now scroll down a little bit, you discover what I've been talking about. So as you can see now, the big question is, how do I join? These are all of the requirements needed to actually become a YouTube partner program. Like you need 1,000 subscribers, and I already have just 8 on this particular YouTube channel, and you need 4,000 watch time hour, and I have 0. And all of these things have to happen within the space of 365 days. That's 1 year. And then if you want to go into short, so you want to start creating short content, that's the YouTube Shorts. You can actually do this by getting into the YouTube Short monetization program after hitting 10 million views. So as you can see, this is actually the requirement you need to surpass to join the YouTube partner program. So if I'm to show you now with a monetized channel, so that you see how it equally looks like on a monetized channel. So as you can see now on this main channel that is already monetized, you're going to see that all of the features have been turned active, like the watch page ads active, short feed ad active, membership active, super active. It is only shopping that I've not activated, but I can activate it by launching an e-commerce store. But for now, I don't have an e-commerce store to actually activate this feature. That's because I've surpassed all of the necessary requirements of joining the YouTube partner program, and I'm now a full member of the YouTube partner program. And as you can see here, all of the features are stated one after the other. Watch paid ads, you are earning from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. It's clearly stated. Ad suitability, you have rated most videos accurately. That's stated that most of my videos, in fact, if all of my videos on YouTube have met with the YouTube partner program requirements, YouTube partner program monetization requirements and policy guidelines. And then I have the short feed ads. You are earning from ads on your YouTube Premium in short feed. And I have the membership, and then I have the super, and I have the shopping. So that's how it actually works literally on YouTube to actually start making money on YouTube. So with all of these ads on now, if you're watching a YouTube video and all of a sudden an ad pops up on that YouTube content creators channel, it was actually activated by this thing you are seeing right here, the watch page ads. It's because the watch page ad of that YouTube content creator have been activated based on the fact that YouTube content creator have surpassed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time on his or her YouTube channel and have joined the monetization partner program. That's why you are seeing ad on that YouTube creators channel, and this section, watch page ads, is responsible for those ads or those mid-roll ads or those ads you see at the beginning and at the end of a YouTube content creator's video. And that ad is how they actually make money. That's how YouTubers make money. So if you want to become a YouTube content creator, please take note that you have to join the YouTube partner program first, and you have to surpass 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour within the space of 365 days. That's within the space of 1 year. It's not a hectic task to meet up with. It's not a tedious task to meet up with. If you want to become a YouTube content creator, please drop your comment in the comment section below and I will help you do that. So guys, I believe this way I just have to call it a wrap. It's still your boy Daniel Anthony teaching you how to make money online, and today's topic is actually how YouTubers make money or how to make money on YouTube. So you can DM me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact line is in this video description below. Until we meet again next time, guys, I still love you, but for now I just have to say bye bye and peace.